Hello guys, welcome to pvapins.com. Today we are verifying the Paxful app using pvapins.com. So let's start it. Sign up for a profile by filling out a user-friendly registration form. To add credit, simply select the Top Up button at the top of the screen and deposit the desired amount. Select any country from the list. Then search your app. Use the number in your app and wait for the code. Wait few minutes and click refresh button. After few minutes you will get your code. Now you can use it for verify your app. Thank you for using pvapins.com.